Hey guys, ditching the physical SIM card. This year, Verizon has made eSIM activation almost entirely automatic, whether you're joining as a new customer or switching devices on an existing plan. And today I'm showing you how to get your phone on the 5G network in minutes. Before we start, make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. This is required to download your digital SIM profile. And then first check your compatibility. Go to your phone settings, About Phone, and look for a eID number. If you have one, you're good to go. Most iPhones from the 12th series and up, and Samsung Galaxy S21s are newer are fully eSIM ready. If you're new to Verizon, download the My Verizon app. Tap Join Verizon and follow the prompts. The app will scan your phone's eID automatically. You'll pick your plan, and this year you can verify your identity instantly using a digital ID or driver's license. And once you've finished the checkout, your phone will notify you that a Verizon cellular plan is ready to be installed. Just tap that notification and follow the on-screen steps. And if the notification doesn't pop up for some reason, don't panic. You can find the Verizon Esim QR code in your confirmation email or on the Verizon support sites. That's it. And this is how you activate your eSIM of Verizon. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon.